and I today we're going to unbox this solar system planetarium. Right, Nika?
Yes.
Okay, so let's take out this plastic. Oh. Now this tape right here. God, the tape's hard. You try it. You try it now. I don't think I can do it. Oh, you did it. Okay, you did it. What's this? Stop. Wow. Wow. Okay, so here, I think this is, I think this is instructions. And then these are the things we have in here. Is there anything else in here?
No.
Okay. Let's open this now. Whoa. Okay. That. Huh? Did this fall? I don't think so. Okay. Wow. So this is the model tops. Then these are the model bottoms. All white. Then we have this bag right here. What else? What's in here? We have paint to help us paint it with the brush right here. Then we have this Saturn ring with whatever this is. Paper.
Is that sandpaper?
I think so, because it looks like sandpaper.
Yeah, so I think you have to first sand it down, then only the paint will stick to the models.
Oh, okay, Dada. Then here are the. Here it says steel bars.
Yeah, for what are those?
I think right here in the photo, they're showing the steel bars to connect these. This thing to the.
Oh, so that invisible thing
It's
is
not invisible.
for the
No.
sun.
So the
sun has
so the
its own
models
stand.
models are attached to the steel bars and they're put on the stands.
Yes. Here is the stand, the sun stand. Then here is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Jupiter. All of these. Okay. So the rods can go right. Oh. Then here we have the stand.
The base of it.
Yeah. Okay. Let's now start keeping them together. Okay, can you help me by taking out the rods from here and giving them
But I think you need to color them before you can put them up.
No need to color these.
Right.
Yeah. Well, at least the ring is colored.
Yeah. I got one tiny one.
Ooh, where did
Careful.
it go? My has fallen up. Nika, can you find it? You find it. I'll just see if I can how to take these things out.
I found it.
Ooh, this is twisted.
A little bit.
Okay, these are the bottoms. So I have Mercury. Okay, now let me take out. Which one is Mercury here? Which one is Mercury? Again. The names are written over here. You can't see them properly. I don't think you will be able to see them. It's kind of white in color, so it's hard to see them. Yeah, I forgot Mercury.